Hi friends, I want to show you the new lamp that we received. It's a semi-flush lamp for our living room. It's really nice. As you can see, it's going to be, this is the finished lamp and it has all the accessories inside. So you can imagine, get an idea of how it's going to look. This is the bottom part, and let's install it. Let's go. Okay, we install our lamp, semi-flush. As you can see, it's a little bit away from the ceiling, and let's turn it on. Perfect. You can see, looks really nice. Okay, now you see the lamp. Semi-flush, just about 3 to 5 inches from the ceiling. It gives a really nice light. Perfect. Thank you.